Hello everybody, I'm showing y'all a beautiful painting and has such beautiful colors in it. A lot of golds and browns, blues, blue from the sky and yellow up there. And if you look, you can see the waterfall right there. Isn't that pretty? You know, one of the things that being an artist is I like to show paintings. And that is a painting right there I'm showing y'all. Right there. Isn't it pretty? Press that subscribe button. Press the like button. And ring my bell. And also read in the description below. Thanks for watching.